Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing 2 pounds of Yukon or russet potatoes and drying them thoroughly. Use a mandoline to slice each potato 1/8 inch thick for uniform chips. Toss the slices in 1/4 cup neutral oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper to coat evenly. Arrange the slices in a single layer on a rimmed sheet pan and bake at 425 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping once halfway to achieve consistent golden crispness. Transfer the crisp potato chips to a clean large sheet pan and arrange them in an even single layer so toppings sit well. Scatter 1/2 cup shredded sharp cheddar and 1/4 cup shredded Monterey Jack across the chips, then add 1/2 cup drained black beans and thinly sliced jalapeños from 1 pepper for heat. Return the pan to the 425 degrees F oven for 3 to 5 minutes, watching until the cheese melts and bubbles, but does not brown significantly. When the cheese is melted, remove the pan and immediately add cold toppings so contrasts stay bright. Dollop 1/4 cup sour cream and spoon 1/2 cup guacamole in small clusters, then scatter 3/4 cup pico de gallo and chopped cilantro. Squeeze 1 lime and offer wedges for finishing. Serve right away so chips remain crisp under toppings. Refrigerate any leftovers in an airtight container up to 2 days and reheat at 375 degrees F.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.